Hello my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. The last few weeks I've been trying to focus on things that we quarantine and have to social distancing from people and not go anywhere. A lot of people cooking in their homes, they're running out of ideas. Also I'm trying to give you things that you might have in your home already and things that's cost effective that can feed a lot of people. So I'm doing another thing. I do this all the time. This thing I'm about to do. And I guarantee you'll have this in your pantry right now. It's so simple, so easy. You're going to see how easy this is and it's going to trip you out. But anyway, it's called, I don't know what I'm going to call it. I guess I'll call it a quarantine corn casserole. A couple of days ago I did a quarantine casserole with meat. This has no meat. This is just corn and cornmeal and it's awesome. I eat mine with fried chicken. So anyway, let's get started here. We're going to call it the quarantine corn casserole. So it's very simple. Take a jiffy mix. I keep some of this, even though I make homemade cornbread. I keep this. You can get this 2 for $1. It's so cheap. When I catch it 2 for $1, I usually buy maybe 6 of them. Because I use sometimes to bread oysters and shrimp with sometimes just to kind of change things up. So you dump that in the bowl. Very simple, this easy. I'm going to use whole kernel corn. Make sure you drain the water out of the corn. That's very important. Whole kernel corn. What size can? This is like 15-ounce can. It's a normal size can you get in the store. And I'm going to use a cream style corn. Throw that in there. See how easy this is? Okay, now I'm going to put a cup of sour cream. Put sour cream in here. Alrighty. And a stick of butter. Just 1 stick of butter, which is a half a cup of butter. I'm going to stir this up. See how easy this is so easy. This is so easy, y'all. You just don't know. And you just stir this up. See everything gets really incorporated. Really incorporated in there. Look at that. Wasn't that so hard? I'm sweating in the kitchen. I work so hard right now. This is so hard. Okay, now, once you get that mix, you get your casserole dish. Make sure you grease it. Spread it down. Pour it in your casserole dish here. There we go. Spread it around here really good. And we're going to bake it in 350-degree oven for 45 minutes until it's spurned. And after 45 minutes, I'm going to take it out and sprinkle a little cheddar cheese on there to give it a little cheesy mix. And that is it. See how easy that is? Wow. I can go do something else. We'll be back in 45 minutes. Alright? Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, that's what you want. Okay, now, all I'm going to do now, I'm going to sprinkle a little cheese. I'm not going to load it up with cheese. Just sprinkle a little on the top of it like this. Then I'm going to put it back in the oven. 5 minutes just to melt the cheese. And that'll be it. It's so easy. It's so easy. Okay, we'll put it back in the oven 5 minutes just to melt the cheese. We'll be back and taste this sucker. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. Been 5 minutes here. Alright. That's all I want. I want to melt the cheese just a little. That's what I want right there. Now I'm going to let this sit by 5 more minutes. Then we're going to scoop some out here and I'm going to taste it. And I'm going to tell you how good it is. And hopefully you'll do the same when you make it. So I'll be right back. 5 minutes. Alright, y'all. Let's dig into this and see what we got here. Okay. Oh yeah. See how cheesy that is? See how I like that crust there on the side. Like I said, you can put bacon in this if you like, but I just like mine like this. See how crispy that crispy end is? See how it's set up? Let's try this out. It's just so hot. So hot here. Wow, this is good. You could actually serve this for dessert. with the sweetness of the jiffy cornbread mix. Already sweet. We got the sweet corn in there. There it is for a dessert. Better carrying dessert. It's so good. Wow. Look at that. I'm speechless. I make this all the time, but it still amazes me every time I eat it. How simple something so good can be so simple and so easy. But anyway, that's it for this video. Please share, please comment, please like, please visit my other social media accounts, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. Stay safe, y'all. Bye.